guys, Zach at B&GTV here. I just wanted to show you guys, I picked up a few new parts for the motorcycle, and I'm pretty excited about it. Put it on and kind of wanted to show it off what we got here. We got the Hardcase Performance Bolt Locker. If you guys don't know, on dynas, the pulley on the back here, it's kind of common for the bolts to start backing off, and obviously that's not a good thing. These bolts here, and it causes quite a bit of damage when that gets loose back there. So this right here protects you from that, and I think it looks pretty cool. It's got the red in there, bringing a little bit more red into the bike. So that's from Hardcase Performance right here. This is the a shifter link peg right here by Flow Motorsports. So that's pretty cool. Pretty excited about that. You know, nothing too major or big right there. I picked up those parts from Get Lowered Cycles. If you guys don't know them, I like this company a lot. They get the parts fast. The customer service is great. I haven't had any troubles with them. There's a little bit of information right there. They sent me a little note saying thank you. When life throws you a curve, lean into it. Get out and ride. Hashtag right there. So you probably see me wear a lot of their shirts and everything because I tend to order a lot of parts from them. Sent me a sticker. So real good company. I think they're based out of, I want to say, Pennsylvania. So I highly recommend them. Another thing I got is from Moon's Motorcycle Culture is a LED bar that goes under the triple tree. I'm not sure how exactly this is going to work out because I have that ABS block, but I figure we can try to see if we can't make it work. If it can't, it's not really that expensive. I want to say this was about, I want to say it was like 30 bucks. I bought this on Amazon. I'll put the link for this down in the description for you. Yeah, so it wasn't expensive, and I'm going to try to wire it with the high beam, so when I turn on the high beams, that comes on. So they give me a little sticker right there. Moon's Motorcycle Culture. Little information. Picture of a dyna. So, fucking dyna life. Let's see. See if I can't show you. There's a bracket. So yeah, right here. So that's like a little LED light bar. Goes right under the triple tree over here. And this will go right here. I think that'll look pretty good with the fairing. Like I said, I'm going to shoot another video of me putting all this stuff on. You're going to get probably a little bit better of a idea and see what it looks like on and everything. But if you guys are interested. But I'm excited about it, so I couldn't wait to open this stuff up and show you. But what I'm most excited about is this right here. So I was gonna go with the Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing and get all custom painted by my buddy Matt. You guys should know Matt. But I'm trying this a little bit of a less expensive route, and I hear a lot of really good reviews. A lot of people use this and everything. This is the Krator T-Sport fairing. You can pick it up on Amazon. I bought it on Amazon for $90. This fairing. It doesn't have the quick disconnect. It is permanently, when you install this, it's just installed. with the brackets that it's supposed to give with you. You're supposed to get with it. I'm sorry, but so I'm kind of excited to see what it's like and everything. Everybody says it's made with some durable ABS plastic. It's of the same quality of all the other fairings, like the Harley fairings and the Memphis shade. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna see. I figured you guys might like that. See if it's save you guys some money. But what I hear is the biggest issue that anybody has on it. Well, literally the only issue that I've read all the reviews. The only issue I've seen on this is that it doesn't come with any instructions to install it. So luckily, I got a YouTube channel. So when I put it on, I'll definitely see if I can't help with that. If you guys end up going this route. And it comes painted black, but I'm going to send it out to Matt and get it custom painted. I'm not going to tell you how I'm getting it painted. Kind of a little secret, a little surprise, but let's see what we got here. Alright. Wow. So yeah, I mean, packaging is actually pretty nice. I mean, looks pretty good quality to me. So here's the brackets, which the brackets feel real strong. I mean, from the looks of it, everything looks pretty good. So that's it right there. And then I got the tall smoked windshield. Bench Spade, the best. Always comes in handy. Alright, so this is a windshield. Looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it's like too smoked out that you can't see through it or anything. I mean, it has a little bit of a recurve to the top here. I'm not sure how nice that's gonna be, but I mean, it might be nice because I got a wide glide, so that might actually be perfect if you look at it. But yeah, so I'm excited to try this out, install it, and I look forward to making this video for you guys. Keep your eyes peeled because I'm about to post a video soon about Brett's Street Glide. He just got a Royalty Racing custom made stainless steel pipe, 2-to-1 pipe. It looks fucking sweet, sounds amazing, and I went and ripped on it a little bit, and man, it is awesome. He got the 2017 Street Glide, so he has the M8, and yeah, so definitely recommend Royalty Racing. I know he had a little bit of trouble with customer service with them because they're a real small business and everything, so I kind of give you a little bit more information on that. But yeah, the pipe came out beautiful, and yeah, so I'm excited about that. I'm gonna post the video of that so you guys can see that. I got the bars on a little sneak peek to that. I'm about to put the video up for that too, and I'm about to put up a video for the Remington 870 police model review. Well, not necessarily a review, just kind of a little bit of information about it. So yeah, so we got a lot of video coming up. Hopefully you like this video, and interested, subscribe to So when I put this on, and you can see, and I'll put some information, I'll put this down in the description for a link for this and a link for that Moon's motorcycle LED bar down in the description if you guys are interested in buying it. They said it was about 30 bucks for the Moon's motorcycle LED bar, and this was $90. You have to get an extension block for the headlight for when put this on. Well, you really have to do that with all these fairings, but you gotta make sure you have to buy that. That's the only thing that doesn't come with this, which is really awesome about this, I thought, was because it comes with all the brackets. Like when you buy the Memphis shades, you buy the fairing, then you buy the windshield separate, then you buy all the brackets and stuff, and all that stuff really adds up and everything. This is $90. You get the windshield, you get the fairing, you get the brackets, all included. The only thing it doesn't have is the extension block. So a little quick insert because it just came in the mail. The extension block I went with is the Memphis Shades extension block. This is the one I'm going to try out. Hopefully it works. Some people say this is the one they use. Some people say they use JP Cycles extension block. I'll let you know. It wasn't very expensive, so if it doesn't work, I'm not going to be that upset. But in case you're wondering, this is the extension block that I'm going to try out first. And I sent out the, well, I didn't send it out. Matt came and picked up the fairing to go get painted. So hopefully that gets done soon so we can rock and roll on this and get everything done for you so you guys can all see how it works and start putting it on. Hopefully give you guys some insight in how you put it on. I know it doesn't come with instructions, so alright, I think I'm going to try out the Memphis Shades extension block, and like I said, that was like 30 bucks. Bought that on Amazon too. I'll throw that in the description. So yeah, I'm excited about this, and subscribe if you want to see how this goes on, if you're interested in that, and hopefully I hear from you guys. Take it easy.
That stranger coming over here, if you don't recognize him, I know you'll preach you well. You got a voice like sugar, sugar in your tea, and he could sing it when it's all out, sing it sweeter than me. Blind your eyes, steal your tongue. You'll take it when you're old, but it locks on you. Oh my baby, devil's gonna get you if I don't first. Take my body and do yours. Oh my baby, devil's gonna get you if I don't first. Take my body and do yours. Blind your eyes, steal your tongue, get you when you're old now.